Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing olive oil for hair growth and softness. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name's Fortuna. I'm the founder of a hair supplement brand called It Really Works Vitamins. You may have heard that name before. We've been in Forbes and Shortlist magazine as the best hair regrowth product for men. We're not just for men, we're also suitable for women as long as you're not pregnant or breastfeeding. It's Black Friday. We are here on Black Friday. If you would like to try us out, get 40% off with code BLACKFRIDAY40. We are so confident that you'll love your results that we'll refund you if you don't. So get 40% off with code BLACKFRIDAY40 and don't forget you get a full refund if you don't love your results. Check us out and the code is applicable to all full priced and non-subscription orders. So let's discuss olive oil for hair growth. If you have been watching this channel, you'll know that I love oils for hair growth. Lavender oil, coconut oil, primrose oil. I love it. My hair is constantly in a state of being oiled. So today we're discussing olive oil for hair growth. Why is it so good? How do you use it? What's the ingredients in olive oil? Let's all go. Let's go. Use olive oil for hair growth. First of all, let's do a patch test. So you're going to put a little bit of the olive oil in a place, for example, behind your ear, inconspicuous place. Test it, leave it there for 48 hours. If you've got no skin reaction, you're good to go. So how I use olive oil is I like to apply it root to tip and I leave it on for about 24 hours. I often style my hair in a way so that it looks slicked back. It doesn't look like it's just this kind of like horrible, greasy, disgusting mess. I like to slick it back. I'm going to show you some footage from my mobile phone because I did this a little while ago and I never put it in the video. Anyway, that's the footage. I've noticed online that they always say put the olive oil in your hair, leave it on for half an hour or 45 minutes. I don't think that's long enough. I personally leave it on for about 24 hours, at least 2 hours to really start to see some kind of benefit. Another way to use olive oil is if you wash your hair first and when your hair's wet, it's a good idea to apply the olive oil all over your hair from root to tip. This I find really inconvenient. If, for example, you've washed your hair, you just want your hair to look nice. You don't want it to look like this greasy mess. So it's really up to you. Olive oil in wet hair is better, but it's inconvenient, so it's really up to you. Also, please be careful because adding olive oil to your hair while it's wet in the shower is just a recipe for a disaster. Disclaimer. Let's discuss the ingredients in olive oil that nourish and condition your hair. Olive oil also contains lots of important nutrients and essential minerals, including potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, sodium, zinc, manganese and copper. As well as this, there are lots of fatty acids and these are so useful as they coat the hair in lots of moisture and they protect the hair follicle from any kind of damage, pollution. Glycerolipids are primarily from saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids, linoleic acid and heptadecoic acid. And don't forget, for more healthy hair tips, please do download my free ebook, which I'm going to put the link in the description. Check us out at itreallyworksvitamins.com. It's a free ebook written by my wonderful self that gives you lots of tips on healthy hair growth, the best foods, drinks, snacks, green tea, for example, that restore hair and help to reduce hair loss, as well as my very own homemade exfoliant scrub that helps to scour away dead skin cells, sebum, pollution from your hair. In a recent study that reviewed the significance of olive phytochemicals, it was found that olive oil can actually add lots of moisture to hair follicles. It's thought to help your hair become healthier and softer. Oil contains several emollients, squalene, palmitic acid and oleic acid, which are known for their softening qualities. And don't forget guys, the Black Friday sale is officially here. If you've always wanted to try out It Really Works Vitamins, this is your chance. Get 40% off all full-priced non-subscription items with code BLACKFRIDAY40. We are here for you guys. We offer free worldwide shipping to most destinations, and if you don't love your results, you get a full refund with no questions asked. Shortlist have named us as the best hair regrowth product for men, but we're not just for men, we're suitable for women as long as you're not pregnant or breastfeeding. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe if you found it very useful, and it always helps if you give my video a big thumbs up. It helps with our algorithm. Guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.